How to claim for denied boarding situation on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can claim for denied boarding situation on AirHelp. And how do you do that? The first step is to log in into your AirHelp account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you can see the welcome message which says the hi to see you, how can we help? So once you can see it, you just go ahead and click on add claim. All right, and then for you to add any claim at all, you would have to check if you are eligible. So go ahead and check if you're eligible, add your additional information, and then when it comes to the document section, ensure you upload your boarding pass. So by the time you upload your boarding pass and then you finish transaction, you'll be able to know if you're eligible. Then once you're eligible, submit the reason. All right, why are you asking for a compensation? You would have to select the reason, which is denied boarding situation, and then once it has been checked, your compensation would be granted, and then follow the prompts that comes after that, and you'll be able to get your compensation. It is that simple. All right, so just log into your AirHelp account, click on add claim, follow the prompt, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.